Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Saturday, May 27th, 2023. It's Memorial Day weekend, so happy Memorial Day, and thank you to everyone out there who has a friend, a family member, a brother, sister, mother, father, or ancestor who gave us this weekend. If you don't know the difference between Memorial Day and Veterans Day is for everybody who served in our military and our armed forces, and Memorial Day is, of course, for all of those that gave everything while serving in the line of duty and gave up their life for us to have this weekend. So it is a very special weekend. I know a lot of people do cookouts and barbecues and pool time, and we're just kind of relaxing and taking it easy. We may do something. We don't have any plans yet, but just dinner tonight. But enjoy it, have fun, be safe, but always remember why we have it. And don't forget that also on Monday, the USPS is not running. You don't have to ship. It's a holiday per eBay, and so you're all set. With that said, I wanted to give you guys and everybody who's watching, whether you're a regular seller or a new seller or somebody who just finds this video, how to make money selling on eBay and other platforms during these holiday weekends. Because even though people are out at the beach and they're out in the sun and they're at the pool or at the barbecue or outside, they love a holiday sale. You see it on TV with cars. Come on down for the Memorial Day sale and save $1,000 on your new car. There's a reason that people do it and that companies do it, and it's because it works. If you are a reseller or you have a product or a service, you should be discounting it and running a sale. You can do 10% or 15 or 20%. It should be running all day today, Saturday. If you're seeing this video late, the rest of tonight, you should be running it absolutely all day Sunday, and back to Monday, people will check in on your sales. Generally, I have my sales end at like midnight or midnight Pacific time on Monday, not Sunday, Monday. So one of the biggest things you can do on any holiday weekend, Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, obviously Black Friday, all these holidays, is run promotions. It sounds crazy, and this is gonna sound really slimy, but a buyer mentality is they fall for the sales. There's nothing different about these days or these weekends why they have to buy this or buy that over something else. The bottom line is they do it because you run a promotion and it sparks something in their brain that goes, oh, Memorial Day weekend sale, let me spend money. No other reason. And it sounds bad, but that's exactly why it works. So my tip to all of you guys is on eBay, marketing, do a sales markdown. Do 15, do 20%, do 25%, adjust your prices as needed, whatever you have to do, run that sale. Bump your promoted up 1% just to push it in front of more people because you're competing, right? If you're running Amazon or Poshmark sales, do bundles, do offers, make all your offers to people. If you don't do best offers on eBay, maybe put in best offers for the weekend. Who knows? You can bulk edit all this stuff really, really quickly in 10 minutes and have these sales running and see a spike in sales. If you have a product or a service through Shopify, or maybe you do closet reviews, or maybe you do this or you do that, perhaps you should offer a discount on that. Offer, refer a friend, send a friend, get one, buy one, get one free. Whatever you have to do, put it out. Send it out to your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, your email list, your TikTok, whatever it is that the kids use these days. Your Twitter, your MySpace maybe, who knows? Audrey, I stole that line from you, by the way. Just put it out there, get it in front of people, and you will notice it doesn't cost you anything, right? To put it in front of people. If you are used to selling 5 items for 20 bucks a piece for $100, but instead you put them out for 15 bucks a piece and you sell 100 of them and you sell $1,500, well, you can see where the difference would come in the volume, right? So just do that. That's my tip. I want to keep this video short. I appreciate all of you watching. Even if you're on your Memorial Day holiday, your weekend, it means a lot to me. We're having sales. Obviously, people ask me, what do I do? My eBay store is all 20% off. If you go to my eBay store, which is linked below, you'll see the 20% off running. There are some items that aren't, but most of my items are 20% off. You'll see my store reviews and my training videos are all half off. They're linked below. And of course, we're doing our listing service, Pro E-commerce Lister, which is our biggest service for you guys, where you upload your photos into our website or our mobile app, and we create listings for you. eBay, Poshmark, Shopify List Perfectly. We're doing 20% off all listing credits the entire weekend. So that's $1.20 a listing, no matter how many you buy, and you can use those listing credits anytime. They don't expire. You don't have to use them this weekend. You don't have to use them next week. You can use them next week, next month, next year. They never expire. So hit us up, rockstarflipper@gmail.com or proecommercelister@gmail.com. I'll send you a demo video. I'll send you all the instructions. I'll send you all the frequently asked questions and details. We'll get you in 20% off for the whole listing service. But this is what you guys should be doing, is running sales the entire holiday weekend. Hopefully it gets you some money. Let me know how you handle holiday weekends down in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of sales you run, how big of a percentage, what stores you have. Tell me everything about it down in the comment section. It belongs to all of you, and I appreciate it. Until then, I'm gonna go grab some food, get back here and relax, maybe play some video games, do something I don't usually do. Just enjoy the weekend and be safe and be fun and all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with another video. And until then, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you guys on the 28th of May, 2023.